Today, we're plunging into something that's, well, it's just exploding: AI funding and investment.
Yeah.
Our mission here is simple. Take a bunch of fresh sources, like right from mid-2025, and give you the shortcut to understanding what's really going on.
Absolutely. And it's not just growing, is it? It feels like it's accelerating like crazy.
It really does.
Understanding why this is happening, I think that's crucial. It tells you where the big tech bets are,
Yeah.
where innovation is really heading.
Okay, so let's unpack it. The numbers alone are pretty wild. Global AI funding, just in the first half of this year, 2025. It's already blown past the entire total for 2024.
Wow, already.
Yeah. And get this, North American AI startups, they pulled in $104.3 billion.
Just in North America.
In 6 months. When I saw that, I just thought, is this sustainable? Is it just a huge land grab?
That's the big question, isn't it? And the sources, well, they do give us clues. While the total amount is massive, you see these huge mega rounds.
Right, the familiar names popping up again.
Exactly. It shows where the capital is concentrating, but also maybe where the market thinks the really transformative stuff is happening.
Like OpenAI.
Precisely. I mean, a staggering $40 billion round reported. Plus, they got $8.3 billion in fresh capital earlier.
And weren't they talking about a $500 billion valuation?
That's the talk, yeah. And this is even with, that GPT-5 rollout being a bit rocky, right? Users apparently miss some of the GPT-4o features.
Huh. Still commands huge confidence, then.
It seems so. And it's not just them. Anthropic reportedly looking at a $170 billion valuation, raising $5 billion. Databricks hitting $62 billion. The scale is just enormous.
Okay, so the giants are getting bigger.
Yep.
Where else is the focus?
Well, there's a clear shift, it seems, towards what they call AI native companies. And importantly, enterprise AI solutions, ones that have a pretty clear path to making money.
Makes sense.
And what's really fascinating, I think, is this rise of AI agents.
AI agents, what does that mean exactly? Like AI doing tasks?
Yeah, basically AI systems built to perform complex tasks autonomously, even interacting with other systems. It's kind of a jump from passive tools to, well, almost digital employees in a way.
Okay, that sounds significant.
It really is. You see Thinking Machines Lab raising $2 billion specifically for agentic AI infrastructure, the underlying tech for these sort of independent AIs.
$2 billion for infrastructure, wow.
Anysphere, they make that AI coding assistant, Cursor.
Oh, right.
They hit a $9.9 billion valuation after a $900 million Series C. I mean, that signals huge investor belief that these agentic tools are the next big thing.
So the mega money is flowing there, but it's not just tech infrastructure or coding, is it? I saw mentions of healthcare, fintech.
Oh, definitely. It's weaving into so many sectors.
Uh-huh.
Healthcare, you've got companies like Maple Light Therapeutics, Ultramics, Manus AI focusing on drug discovery. Fintech sees big investments in Ramp, Motive, Samaya.
And cloud infrastructure too, right? Like Lambda Labs, CoreWeave.
Exactly. CoreWeave, Cast AI, essential building blocks, but also construction with AI, Bob, legal tech with Harvey, even drones with quantum systems. It's becoming pervasive.
Okay, so beyond the funding rounds, what else is happening? Because our sources mentioned more M&A activity.
That's right. More companies merging or being acquired, and governments are definitely paying attention.
Yeah, I saw President Trump signed a law, something like over $1 billion for federal AI work.
Correct. And other countries are making their own big commitments, too. It's becoming a national priority globally.
So does that mean it's only about these giants and government plays now? Is there still room for smaller players?
That's a really important point. The sources suggest actually yes. Early-stage AI startups, they still make up a big chunk of the actual number of deals.
Ah, okay. So innovation isn't just top-down.
Seems not.
Yeah.
You have major VCs, like Andreessen Horowitz with that huge $20 billion fund, Signal Fire with a $1 billion fund, specifically looking for those early-stage AI companies. That suggests a healthy pipeline.
Right. Keep feeding the ecosystem.
Exactly. And there's also this growing conversation around, AI governance, responsible AI, making sure this rapid growth doesn't go off the rails.
So wrapping this up, what's the biggest takeaway for you from all this? It feels like more than just growth.
It really is. It's a dramatic evolution.
Yeah.
Massive capital flowing, yes, but into both the huge players and these very specific focused applications like agents.
Yeah.
And for you, the listener, I think it means AI isn't some niche tech anymore. It's becoming this foundational layer, affecting how we code, how we get healthcare, everything.
All right. It's everywhere.
And where the money's going now, like into these agentic systems, that's probably where the next big breakthroughs, and maybe the biggest challenges, like governance, are going to come from.
Okay, so here's our final thought for you to chew on. If money talks, if it's really a signal, what does this unprecedented flood of cash into AI, and especially into this agentic AI, tell us about how autonomous our digital world might become in the future?